Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've probably wondered, maybe even stressed about, how on earth you can actually save more money, especially in today's economy, without living on instant noodles day in and day out or skipping out on the things you love. You know, those little joys that make life worth living. Well, today I want to share one ridiculously simple habit, a real game changer, that no one really talks about, but honestly everyone should know because it honestly doubled my savings in just a few months. And I'm not exaggerating. It's not about extreme budgeting, cutting every single expense, or hustling for a second job. We're not about that burnout life here. Nope. The trick? Are you ready for it? Automatic savings. Seriously, that's it. It's almost too simple, right? Let me break it down. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Most of us get paid and then we spend. We pay our bills, buy groceries, maybe treat ourselves a little. Whatever's left, maybe goes into savings. If we're lucky. But here's the thing. If you flip the script, change the order of operations, and make saving the first thing you do, automatically, before you even see the money, you're setting yourself up for way more success. It's a subtle shift, but it makes a huge difference. Here's how I made it work. My personal experience with this method. Every time my paycheck landed, I set up an automatic transfer without fail, like literally the same day, no procrastination allowed, to send a set percentage straight into my savings account. A predetermined amount every single time. It could be 10%, a good starting point for many, 20% if you're feeling ambitious and have some wiggle room, or even just 5% if money's tight. Every little bit counts, trust me. Whatever felt realistic. The key is consistency, not the amount. The magic is, I didn't have to think about it. It was completely automated. No willpower required. Which, let's be honest, is a huge win. The money just moved itself, like clockwork, reliably and consistently, before I could even be tempted to spend it. Before those impulse buys could get the best of me. Out of sight, out of mind, a classic strategy, but stacking up steadily. Slowly but surely, the savings grew. After a few months, I checked my balance, just out of curiosity, and I was honestly shocked. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I'd saved twice as much as usual without even realizing it, and I didn't even feel like I'd tried. It was practically effortless. Turns out, the pay yourself first method, a concept that's been around for ages, isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a powerful strategy that actually works. It's a game changer, a true transformation in your financial habits. And if you want to take it even further, really maximize your savings potential, set up your savings in a totally separate bank, a different institution altogether, one you don't check every day. Resist the urge to constantly monitor it. Makes dipping in way harder, creating a barrier between you and your savings, and the money builds up without you even noticing. It's like a pleasant surprise waiting to happen. So, if you want to double your savings, and who doesn't, right? Don't wait until the end of the month to see what's left. That's a recipe for disaster. Automate that transfer, set it and forget it the moment your paycheck hits. Make it a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. Trust me, future you will be seriously grateful. You'll thank yourself for making this simple change. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, show some love, and don't forget to subscribe to Bright Facts for more actionable tips, for more tips that make life just a little bit brighter. We're all about making positive changes, one step at a time. Thanks for watching and happy saving. I'm genuinely wishing you the best on your financial journey.